We've just acquired, it's absolutely stunning, Audi A6 Allroad. It's quattro 3 litre V6 diesel. Absolutely superb condition throughout. It's got front and rear parking sensors, full all-road body styling kit, unmarked alloy wheels. The tyres are absolutely fantastic. They're all Michelin all the way around, and they're all-weather tyres, as you can see. Great for the all-road. Rear park distance control. Boot space is fantastic. Got a load cover there as well. Comes across. Twin exhausts. It's full service history. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric remote central locking. Has paddle shift on the gearbox. Has cruise control. Factory satellite navigation, as you can see there. Radio entertainment system. Media pack. Full navigation and Bluetooth. Automatic. It's got multifunction steering wheel. Automatic headlights. Full leather interior. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.